Hey guys, and welcome to my latest video. I'm so happy that you're watching. Today I'm going to explain 5 common beginner mistakes when starting to make money online. Avoid these. Mistake number 1 is trying to be the jack of all trades. It is easy to try to show off all you're capable of to impress your audience. However, counterintuitively, the opposite will happen. People flock to you for a reason, because you have something in common with them. If next time you talk about something else, they simply won't return. So force yourself to stick to one theme for some time. Something that feels like your passion works best. Next. Mistake number 2. Delaying decision making. It's great that you do your research. And you need to take your time for that. Lots of time. But there has to be an end of the fact-gathering phase. You can get caught up in finding a gazillion facts and figures to make the right business decision. Stop it when no significant new information for making the first decision can be found. Just make a decision and stick with it for some time, say 3 to 6 months. Then, learn from your experience, correct your course, make a new decision, and move ahead. Next. Mistake number 3. Giving up too early. Success takes time. An old saying among entrepreneurs says it mostly takes around 10 years until real success will show up. Depending on how you define success, it can be sooner, of course. Making a living, starting from zero to earning $10,000 per month, is usually achievable within 3 to 6 months. But more often than not, we give up way too soon. Instead, we want to have faith in ourselves. I, for example, have a lot of faith that you will smash the like button because it helps me get this important video out to more people like you. We want to keep going, find solutions, see every defeat as both temporary as well as a learning experience. Mistake number 4. Improper risk-reward ratio. Becoming your own boss requires courage. You need to take risks. To be clear, if you avoid risk at all cost, you'll have a hard time becoming a successful online entrepreneur. That said, make sure you don't take risks blindly. Take time to think about the worst case and how you would recover from it in case it should materialize. Think about the amount of money you're putting at risk. Okay, that all is easier said than done. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make a dedicated video for each of the 5 mistakes, and subscribe to my channel. Mistake number 5. Buying expensive courses. When starting out to make money online, everyone and their brother is trying to sell you courses. Many of them are free, and you learn about the true cost later on. Don't pay thousands of dollars for courses. They won't make you more successful. You already have within you all it takes to be successful. That said, small courses that teach just a laser-focused little thing that's missing in your repertoire to make you successful, is very wisely spent money. For myself, for example, taking ClickBank University was extremely helpful. ClickBank is my favorite affiliate network. For very little money, they offer tons of value, and affiliate marketing is still the best way to start making money online. It has an excellent risk-reward ratio. If you're interested, I've included a link to ClickBank University in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.